We're back, fellow knife enthusiast. Today we'll be talking about the Reate Jack 2.0. This is a interesting knife. It has a titanium handle, but it has an interchangeable blade that you can change with this titanium comb. Now, I didn't take it out because it would take me a few minutes to remove the torque screw and put it in there. And we all know how a comb works anyway. But I want to show you the jack itself because there are several models of this, 12 to 15, that do not have interchangeable parts. But still wanted you to see this knife. Alright, so first of all, let's talk a little bit about this knife. The frame or liner of this knife is titanium. It is 8.67 inch overall. Blade length comes in at about 4 inches. Blade material is Bowler M390. Has titanium pocket clip. It is a manual flipper. Has a nice snap to it. Opens very smoothly. Sheep's foot style blade. Handle length is about 4.75 and the weight is a little over 5 ounces. It's a right-handed carry with a lanyard hole. It's got an integral handle. It is designed by Chan. Set up for tip-up carry. Satin finish, plain blade. Comes in about 60 to 62 on the Rockwell scale. It does have this micarta. They call it inlay, but this is more of an onlay. I guess it's inset into titanium, so that would make it an inlay on both sides. Of course, don't forget, interchangeable comb, very important. Being this knife is M390, you're going to see that it's extremely sharp, smoothly and effortlessly cuts. With the sheep foot style blade, it's also going to be a nice precision cutter. If I start at the end of the cardboard, that might help. Like that. I always try not to tear up my board, but you see how that's going. And if you should, it'll cut easily down with little to no effort. Its piercing cut's a little more difficult, as you can see. It is sharp enough to cut, but the spine is very wide where you have the screws to hold the blade in. So it kind of holds it back. If you keep it down at the end here, if I can slide it in there, you'll see that it cuts smoothly and easily. Nice little knife. I'm not sure if I need a knife that turns into a comb, but you know, something a little different for those who are looking for something a little different. So this is the Reate Jack 2.0. With a titanium handle and the micarta inlay. For those that are watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We post lots of knife content, do giveaways. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Watch our weekly show. It's very informative. Not only is it informative, it can, some people consider it hilarious. Some people think it's too much comedy. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.